At a time when the second wave of corona is rapidly spreading in the state of Andhra Pradesh, infecting thousands of people every day, and at a time when burial grounds are getting filled up with dead bodies of people who have lost their lives because of corona, sadly the Chief Minister, instead of focusing on saving people's lives, today is wasting all his time on witch hunting and vendetta. Today morning, our party senior leader, former MLA and also the chairman of Sangam Dairy, Shri Dhulipala Narendra Garu, was illegally arrested by ACB by foisting false cases against him. We all know that recently Jagan Reddy's government had entered into an agreement with Amul, trying to shift all the entire dairy business in the state of Andhra Pradesh into the hands of Amul. So now today, to facilitate business for Amul, they are trying to destroy all other dairies in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Recently, they have destroyed Ongole Dairy, and today they are trying to destroy Sangam Dairy, which has huge presence and lakhs of customers all across the state. In its efforts to destroy Sangam Dairy, they have today illegally arrested its chairman, Shri Dhulipala Narendra Garu, by foisting false cases. And also on the other hand, to silence the strong voices of TDP, Jagan Reddy's government is continuously foisting false cases, filing false cases, and is trying to silence them. Recently, we have seen how false cases have been filed against our party president, state party president, Acham Naidu Garu, false cases against our former finance minister, Enamal Garu, against our former deputy CM Chinnarajappa Garu, against Kolu Ravindra Garu, and recently against Devanan Umameswara. And today, they are trying to silence another strong voice, Shri Dhulipala Narendra Garu, by foisting false cases against him. Today, we want to warn Jagan Reddy's government that these kind of false cases will never silence our leaders. We will continue to fight with the support of the people. We will continue to fight legally, and we will also expose your conspiracy of killing all other dairies in the state of Andhra Pradesh just to facilitate business for Amul, with which you have entered into an agreement, Jagan Reddy. We will expose this conspiracy, and we will see to it that you are taught a lesson by the people of the state.